Does a low testosterone level cause penile atrophy? Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss how low testosterone levels cause penile atrophy. Penile atrophy is closely associated with low testosterone levels. If manhood were an engine, testosterone would be the gasoline. Without it, we simply cannot function as intended. From reduced muscle density to loss of energy to weak erections, losing testosterone can be the major cause. Once the testosterone levels fall below a normal range, more serious conditions like penile atrophy can become a reality very fast. A while back, research was conducted on a group of young men born with small penises. They were given testosterone. And all of these individuals experienced penile growth, with some up to 1.5 inches in length. This research shows the importance of testosterone for penile growth. Studies also show that low testosterone causes penile fibrosis in adults, which can impact the size and hardness of erections. Individuals with low testosterone levels also accumulate fat directly over the pubic bone, which can make the penis appear significantly smaller. Men with low testosterone have a tendency to breed much less frequently than men with high testosterone levels, which can lead to disuse atrophy. Many men experience a decline in their testosterone levels as they grow older. Typically, our levels will peak around age 19 or 20, then start a slow decline throughout the rest of our lives. The most significant problem that can result from our declining testosterone levels is a condition known as penile atrophy. Testosterone comes from our testicles, and it is produced by our Leydig cells. Testosterone regulates many important processes in our bodies. Among its most important jobs are maintaining our sex drive, regulating red blood cell production, and assisting in the production of healthy and mature sperm. The health of your penis and testicles relies heavily on a steady supply of testosterone. Low testosterone levels are often coupled with conditions like depression, fatigue, and weight gain, which make the conditions worse. During arousal, a chamber known as corpus cavernosa, which lies near our testicles, expands, forming what we call an erection. One of the side effects of aging is the buildup of deposits of fats in the arteries of the corpus cavernosa. It reduces the blood flow into the corpus cavernosa. This wouldn't be as much of a problem if our testosterone levels remained at the appropriate levels. After all, part of the hormone's job is to restore and maintain the health of penile tissues. But if a loss of blood flow is coupled with a significant decline in testosterone, the results can be quite dire. This brings us back to penile atrophy, a condition characterized by the loss of healthy penile tissue and elastin, which allows our penis to grow. To maintain testosterone levels, you will have to adopt a healthy lifestyle. Getting enough protein, exercising, getting enough sleep, and reducing stress can all help to boost testosterone levels significantly. Exercise ensures smooth blood flow in each artery of the body. When the arteries of the testicles have good blood flow, the cells will grow, and more testosterone will be produced. Protein-rich foods enhance the production of hormones, and they are also necessary for overall health. Proteins also help in fat loss. During stress, a hormone, cortisol, is produced, which reduces the production of testosterone. So, avoiding stress and getting adequate sleep are very important for optimal testosterone production. So, guys, that's enough for today's video. For more information on boosting your erections naturally, download my free ebook by clicking the link in the description box below. We will be back to you soon with another video with more tips on maximizing erectile function without the use of drugs or artificial hormones. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when the next video is uploaded. Until then, goodbye and peace.